And the forecast is still just spectacular. I mean, it was cool yesterday, but the sun was out and it was really nice with highs in the 60s. Today, we're going to nudge it up into the 70s and then stay there for a while. This is the Max Track. No precipitation beyond some showers up over the Great Lakes and a cold front dropping south. Our ridge of high pressure pushing into the mid-Atlantic states is holding, and our rain chance spikes right into the heart of the weekend. Talking about that UK game coming up, that could be a factor Saturday. Those shower chances on the rise, so I may want to plan accordingly with that limited seating out at Kroger Field. High pressure off to the south and west, and here comes a cold front that washes out, and here comes another cold front that makes it in here later this week, but it'll likely be a dry frontal passage as this boundary pushes south. It's kind of taking the edge off the highs in the mid to upper 70s tomorrow, so midweek we really warm up. So all the way through Thursday, even into Friday, there's really not going to be a whole lot happening. But then into the weekend, there's going to be a whole lot happening, and it's all coming from down south. That is what's left of what was once a tropical system, post-tropical Gamma. Here is Hurricane Delta. It's a Category 2 this morning. It is rapidly intensifying over the Caribbean. Eventually, it's going to make it out into the Gulf, potentially as a major hurricane. And this computer model, we're looking at the GFS, just to give you an idea of the track of this. It's coming around a ridge of high pressure off the southeast coast. So those steering winds, it's going to wrap it around and then eventually recurve it right up through the southeastern U.S., which means into Saturday and Sunday, we very well may have the remnants of a tropical system hitting, and especially the highest rain chance coming in probably late in the weekend or over the weekend into our southeastern counties. This shows the potential for strengthening for this storm. Where it's red, that's where you've got the best combination of higher sea surface temperatures and lower wind shear, which gives it a better chance to increase in intensity, which is exactly what it's doing. Here you can see it coming across Cancun, possibly as a Category 3 or 4 hurricane. But wind shear is higher and the sea surface temperature is a little lower as you get closer to shore. So it may weaken a bit, but could still be a major hurricane at landfall. And this brings it in roughly close to the anywhere from East Texas through the Florida Panhandle, that general area early in the weekend, probably Friday. And then that low, that remnant low, is going to roll northeast, and projected rainfall. Look at the gradient across the Commonwealth. Hardly anything in northern Kentucky and a pretty good soaking southeast, with the core of the heaviest rain just to our south. So it'll be a glancing blow here, but it does mean we have that chance for active weather going into the weekend. 40 degrees now downtown. We've got some upper 30s, 39 in Richmond, 37 in Frankfort, and the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. Don't expect a big cool down anytime soon. And in fact, we're going to get into the mid to upper 70s and then stay there. Above normal temperatures likely through mid-October before we see our next chance for our first, or our second big cool snap of the season. So into the weekend, that's really the main feature, the main takeaway beyond the above average warmth and the really nice weather that we'll have over the next couple of days. That chance for rain jumping late Saturday, peaking overnight into Sunday as the system pulls out of here, and still in the 70s into early next week.